Hi there. Hope you're all doing great. Kicking off Q2 and a new month with some productivity video. This one is related to Slack workflows. Slack, as you know, is one of the most widely used applications in any business. So, some juicy stats that I got from Google Gemini is that Slack is being used in over 1 million organizations with over 42 million daily active users and 1.5 billion messages are sent daily. So it's quite some application. So this one is like normally you would integrate Slack with other tools like Make.com or Zapier to achieve some workflow automation. But Slack itself is having now the capability to create new workflows and connect with different applications. So you'll go into more and in automations, you come here. There are some existing templates as well if you want to check it out. But if you want to create from scratch, you can come here and create a workflow. So the way it starts is you have to choose a starting point. So what should be the event that should trigger this automation? So this can be a link in the Slack channel. So if you create this link and you post this link in a channel, it will start the automation. Webhook from, so for the tag guys, this is actually a URL that will be generated that you can use in any other application to trigger this event in Slack on a schedule. This one's easy. So every day at 8 a.m. you can run this workflow, and there are other options as well. So once you, for example, we can choose this. So let's say the workflow will start every day at 8 a.m. Then what you want to do is there are tons of options to do, like post in a channel or create a channel, form, list, messages, users. So lot of and then these are all the native integrations Slack has with all these common applications, CRMs, and project management tools. So this is the capability of Slack workflows. I hope you got some idea and play around with it. Let me know if you need any help. I'm just a DM away. So yeah, this was something that I wanted to share because mostly we see that Slack is integrated through Zapier or Make.com, but Slack itself is now having all these automations. Um, so yeah, let me know what you think about it. Would love to know your feedback and happy automating. See you guys later. Thanks. Bye.